that dry out that they just couldn't even get the water to the plants. And I'm really going to miss that peanut butter this upcoming season. Aren't you, Amanda?
Well, to be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter, but I know a lot of people are. Sorry if I offended you. Right here in Tallahassee right now, it is 85 degrees outside. That humidity is down from what we've been seeing over the past couple of days, just 44% right now. That's because some drier air is moving in, and it's going to make things a bit more comfortable over the next coming weekend and into early next work week. Temperatures across the region, 82 in Tallahassee, we've cooled down just a bit, 80 degrees from Marianna all the way down to Panama City and Apalachicola along the coast. As we make our way to the east, we do see those temperatures pick up just a little bit, 85 degrees in Gainesville, 81 in Ocala, and 82 degrees in Jacksonville. Now today in Tallahassee, we did reach a high of 85 degrees, which is just off our climatological average for this time of year. Our low was also a bit high for what it should be. However, as this cold front that we've been talking about all evening makes its way through, we'll see our low temperatures drop significantly over the next few days. And another consequence of that front moving through is some much higher winds out there right now. It is pretty breezy. If you've gone outside in the last half an hour, you may have noticed your hair blowing around, maybe a little bit harder to hold on to anything that you're carrying because it is awfully breezy outside. We're seeing winds of 12 miles per hour in Tallahassee, 15 miles per hour in Apalachicola, even 17 mile per hour winds in Panama City. Now, I do want you to notice something. This front is moving from west to east, so where we see those higher wind speeds right now, that's about where that front is situated. So, of course, over here in the west, we have some much higher winds than we do towards the east, just 5 miles per hour in Valdosta right now. On satellite radar, you can see that all of this rain that's moving through Georgia right now is associated with that front. It's pretty dry across the Florida Panhandle. Just a 30% chance of showers is what we're going for tonight. And in fact, this is why it's so dry over our area, is because in the upper and mid levels, we have all of this dry air building in back behind that front. That's what all of this orange color is right now. It is very low humidities all the way up into the very high reaches of the atmosphere, and that's behind this cold front. This is what it looks like. So here's that cold front. It's going to be moving through tonight, and as it moves through, we look for high pressure to build back in behind it, and along with that high pressure comes some drier air. And again, when we say cooler, we're talking about our overnight low temperatures. Those are what we're really going to see impacted by the cold front. Our high temperatures are still going to remain about at average to above average, but that drier air will make them feel slightly less miserable, not so sticky and hot as we're used to during the summer months. Now for tonight's forecast, here's what you can expect: 57 degrees. Don't forget we mentioned that 30% chance of rain. It's just going to be a passing shower, nothing major, won't last too long, no heavy downpours. For tomorrow, high temperature of 83 degrees, and as we take a look at our 5-day forecast, filled with nothing but sunshine. There we go. We haven't seen that in quite a while. We had those few dreary days to begin our week, but next work week is looking very promising with lots of sunshine. Great time to be outdoors, roll those windows down on your commute to work, and hey, maybe even open those windows in your house at night.